Hello, this is Risa from Anjurisa. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to make this bun headband for babies. If you love anything about baby headbands, consider subscribing. I recommend you to only use stretchy fabric to make this bun headband. Remember, when you're working with fabric, the edge of fabric is very important. You can see here, the edge of fabric will be the width, which is 6 inches, and the length is head circumference plus an inch. To determine which one is the right side, with the edge of fabric here, stretch the fabric, and stretchy fabric will always curl toward the right side. So this is the right side. With the right sides together, fold the fabric in half. And sew here. These are the patterns on my sewing machine. To sew elastic fabric, we can't use this regular stitch. Instead, I will use this knit stitch to sew this bun headband. If you don't have this pattern on your sewing machine, you can just use a regular zigzag stitch. Now, I will sew the bun headband using this knit stitch. You can see my knit stitch. This is to let us stretch the fabric without fear of popping a seam. Now turn the fabric inside out. I will refer this as the wrong side and this as the right side. With the wrong sides together, fold the fabric in half. And sew here using regular stitch. Cut the excess fabric. Now pinch the headband like this. And stitch to secure. Our headband is finished. Now the fun part is to make the bun. You can see the edge of fabric here should be 2.5 inches. And the length is about 60 inches. Stretch the fabric. And this is the right side. Fold the fabric with the wrong sides together. And tie a knot. Like this, use your finger to hold the knot. I will use this short tail to wrap around the center. Now use this long tail to wrap around the center. Our bun is done, and it's time to finish the back side. Prepare a needle and thread. I will fold the tail and stitch. Next, I will show you how to attach this bun to the headband. Prepare a hot glue gun and a piece of felt fabric. Apply hot glue to the headband. And attach the bun. You can just leave it like this, but I prefer to apply a piece of felt fabric. Our bun headband is finished. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this bun headband tutorial, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.